Untitled Project Top 5. The biggest volcanoes. Power, strength and destruction are normally the words used to describe a volcano. However, today we'll show you some true giants which have huge dimensions that are barely distinguishable in a landscape. Join us in this discovery. Number 10. Mount Mazama, Oregon, USA. To start this top, we have to warn you about this volcano's dimensions, which are unimaginable. It's 8,156 feet in height, and this volcano is not so visible because the main attraction from this area is the beautiful landscape, which has a big lake named Crater Lake because it's principally a lake that was formed in a volcano's cauldron. This kind of phenomenon happens when it's inactive for a long time. However, don't let its tranquility in ornate mists fool you into thinking that Mount Mazama wasn't dangerous in its moments, because it said that its last eruption reached the 7th grade, being one of the biggest volcanic eruptions in the last 10 years, and we emphasize this number because it's been estimated that the giant's last eruption was 5,700 years ago approximately. Although it was declared inactive many years ago, the United States Geological Service considers future eruptions probable, so it represents a threat to anyone who is near it if and resumes its activities. Music. Number 9. Paricutin, Mexico. This volcano is placed in Mocahuac in Mexico and is considered one of the world's natural wonders. It's also known as the youngest from the American continent because it was formed in 1943. The history says that a peasant saw how the ground opened and it emanated a thick vapor and rocks. Later this was seen all around the zone, so it was evacuated. It says that this volcano's activities lasted 9 years. The lava traveled 6.21 miles and erased complete towns from the map. It could make all these catastrophes because it's situated 9,200 feet above sea level. Its crater measures 660 feet wide and it's basically the size of two complete blocks. Even if it is an extinct volcano in a tourist area, it could be active at any moment. Be careful. Number 8. Mount Tambora. Tambora, Indonesia. This volcano is placed in Sumbawa, Indonesia, and reaches 9,350 feet above sea level. Besides its height, this huge wonder has the title for the biggest volcanic eruption ever registered because in 1815 it caused the death of 70,000 people, and the next year, 1816, was called the year without summer because the eruptions changed Europe and North America's climates.